Well, here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because the grocery store paid me. So this is $83.92 worth of goods, and it was all said and done. I had an overage, a moneymaker of $20.04. And yes, that total does include tax. So this is an accurate um, amount. So this is for the week of September 16th to September 22nd, and today's September 16th. I'm going to be doing this every week, trying to bring you guys the best deals of the week. So please subscribe to my channel. Also, what I would like to say is I've been doing this for a year now, and every week I've had a money maker. Every week they've paid me. You can check out my playlist. I hadn't missed a week, so 52 weeks now. I've rounded the bend, and every single week I've been to the grocery store, I've had a money maker. I did not miss one week where I had a money maker. Of course, some weeks barely over, and some weeks I had over $100. So maybe in the year, if I added it up, I probably got paid about like close to $1,000, maybe over $1,000 from the grocery store, and got tens of $1,000 worth of groceries. So you can look up the playlist. I didn't add it up or anything, but you can check it out. Well, let's get right into it to show you what I got this week. So first, start with this one. I had a couple of these. Now this is the Planet Oat Creamer. This is a Publix digital coupon. It was $3.99, and the digital coupon makes it free. So $3.99 off, and made it zero. Guys, I did this in 2 transactions, and that's why. You could have done it in 1 transaction. You probably wouldn't have got as much off as me. I had these special save a lot to competitor coupons, $5 off of 25. So that really, I did in 2 transactions, just going over 25 each time, and that's why I had such a big moneymaker. If you do everything on this table, you can do it, and you would have $83.92 worth of goods, and you'd have an overage of over $10. So what else we got? We got these Kitu Super coffee. These are $2.99 regular price. They're on sale for $2.50. So you buy 2 of them for $5, and Aisle has a $2 rebate on each one. Ibotta has a $1 back rebate when you buy 2 of them. So $5 for them, $2 from Aisle, $2 from Aisle, and $1 from Ibotta. Made them zero. What else we got? So we got Silk Oat Milk, same thing, Publix digital coupon. You clip that, and you enter in your phone number, digital coupon. If you don't know how it works, you enter in your phone number at the register. This was $3.99. When I entered in my phone number, it took $3.99 off at the register. So that was completely free. Next thing, we got the Airwick Warmers. These were on sale last week, but now they're $1.59. Still valid, this coupon, till September 18th. Completely free. So these are $1.59 each. They do have tax, $1.59. I got 2 of them. It's a limited 2. And they came to $3.45. Depends on the register or cashier. They can take $1.59 off, or they took $1.75 off, because it's a maximum of $1.75 off. So these, when I bought those 2 and I used those 2 coupons, I had an overage of 5 cents. That's from the Smart Source of August 22nd. As we keep going, we carry on. Siggis, Planet Oat, another Publix digital coupon. These are $1.99, and you enter in your phone number at the register, just like the Silk, and it takes $1.99 off. I did 2 transactions, so I got 2 of them. Now this one had a Ibotta rebate of 25 cents. So when I bought both these, it cost $3.98, and I had an overage of 25 cents on that because of Ibotta. Keep going. Tates, these are up by the register, by the chips. They are $1.25, and Once again, the Publix digital coupon comes through for a free one. It does take off $1, but when I submitted to Ibotta, it found this on there, and Ibotta gave me $1 off. So that was a 75-cent moneymaker. Keep going. The Dr. Prager Sliders now. This was a great one. These are regular price, 3 for $10. They're BOGO. So when you buy 8 of them, that's $13.34 for 8 of them. And there is this manufacturer printable, expires September 30th. I have the link in the details and a breakdown, a very detailed breakdown of everything I got. So $2 off each one. You're allowed to use 8 coupons. So I printed out 8 of them. There's no limit on there. I was able to print out 8 of them. And there's Ibotta, has a 50 cents off each one. So I got back, I paid $13.34 for these. I got back $16. 8 times 2 is $16. And I got back $2.50. 50 cents times 5, $2.50. So in total on these 8, I had a $5.16 moneymaker. Keep going. We got the Mush Oats. I've done this deal before. They're BOGO for $2.29, means you get 2 of them for $2.29. Aisle has, I believe, 50 cents off each one, and Ibotta has $1 off of 2. So you get $1 back from Ibotta and 50 cents and 50 cents back, $1 back from Aisle. So these cost only 29 cents for both of them. Once again, all this helped me build up to the $25. All this helped me build up to $25 on the 2 transactions. Keep going. We got a couple more. So we got the Chloe Oat Milk Pops. These are $4.99. And you got to get the Oat Milk brand because, well, first of all, they are BOGO for $4.99 each. So you get 2 of them for $4.99. Then you get a $1 manufacturer printable. I've got the link to print that. Easy printable. It's a very easy printable and pretty much unlimited, I believe. So $4.99 for both of them. $1 off printable. $1 off printable. Then Ibotta had 2 different rebates that you could submit. You can submit them both, and $1 off of each box and $1 off of 2 boxes. So in total, $4.99 for those 2, $1 off manufacturer, $1 off manufacturer, $1 off Ibotta, $1 off Ibotta, and $1 off of 2 Ibotta. Made those a 1-cent moneymaker or free. So keep going. What else we got? Once Upon a Farm. These are these guys. These are right in the yogurt section, and they are BOGO, $2.50 BOGO, and Ibotta has $2.69 back. So 19-cent moneymaker on those. Keep it going. Good Culture cottage cheese. These are on sale for $1.25, and Ibotta has a free one, so $1.67 back to you. So that's a moneymaker as well. Also, I used any item on there, so that was a 52-cent moneymaker. And finally, we have our Beyond breakfast sausage. These are $4.89 BOGO, so you get 2 of them for $4.89. There is a manufacturer printable. I got the link. You just click that link. You can print the coupon for $2 off each one. Now, it says a limit of 1. They took both of mine. So that was $4.89, $2 off printable, $2 off printable, $2 off from aisle, $2 off from aisle. So in total, that was a $3.11 overage moneymaker on that. These guys gave me another 5 and 5, another 10 off of everything. So in total, when I added everything up, I had a $20.04 moneymaker overage. So, guys, please subscribe to this funny looking guy right here. Check out my playlist here of every single time I got paid this year. And yeah, if you want to add it up, that'd be great. I'd love to know how much money they've paid me over this year. And that's it. So enjoy your day.